There's a loud, earth-shaking mystery swirling over South Carolina.
You heard everything rumble. You're like, what's going on?
Around 5:30 yesterday evening, hundreds of reports came in about that thunderous boom. From rural communities to the state capitol. Watch pets go scrambling. This airport hangar's walls rattle. Multiple cameras visibly shaking too.
Yeah, I'm sure you're going to start getting multiple 911 calls, but we had some type of, not sure if it was an earthquake or something.